Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another Forex market analysis session. My name is Eliiot. I'm a professional trader and a programmer as well. If you guys are new, what I'm doing here, I'm looking at some good opportunities that may happen next days, as well as I explain some aspects of technical analysis and psychology of trading. And in today's video, I will talk about Euro-New Zealand chart for our time frame. Let us start then. Here is the chart in front of your eyes. I first need to see the overall picture. So let me compress the chart. And what I see a pretty decent downtrend. After that, we had that movement to the upside. So what was that movement? If we use Eliiot waves count, let me do that. It is a 5 subway movement. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, come on, wave 4, and wave 5. So we know that if we have those 5 subwaves, we typically have an impulse, especially when this wave 4 does not overlap the wave 1. So actually it is an impulse wave. After the impulse wave is ended, we typically have a corrective wave. And as this wave is the first, so this would be the second wave. Let me draw a corrective wave here. Wave A, wave B, maybe a bit further, and wave C. And after that, this impulse should be repeated. So in a larger perspective, it should look like this: A, B, C, large super zigzag. That would be a correction to this downside movement. So it should look this way. Okay, so now we know the overall direction of the market. Let's look at some subwaves that we have here. We can clearly see this impulsive wave. It looks this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me draw it. Minor waves this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. After that, we have 3 waves to the upside. After impulsive waves, we have corrective waves. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Minor correction. Okay, and once this correction is over, we typically have that another impulse to the downside. So after that, the correction is ended. So it looks this way, because zigzags are actually 5, 3, 5 subwaves subdivided. Okay, so what I'm looking here, as I know that this ABC correction should end somewhere here. Yes, so what is my plan? I know that we should have another impulse to the downside. That's why I copied that. The only thing is, where should I enter? When should I enter? And here it is very nice method of using advanced formations. So if I delete that stuff, and if I use the XABCD pattern, just connect the first impulse, X to A, then I draw it here to B, then I draw it here to C, and then I have it here. Okay, so this B point says we have 66.9. The first retracement, the B point retraces 66.9. The C point retraces 66.3. If we have those retracements, we start immediately thinking of a Gartley pattern. Okay, if we look at our extension and draw the extension from A to B and back again. Let me zoom it in and back again from A to B. Okay, this should be also corrected. Okay, then we should enable 127. 127. So this will be our termination area, somewhere here. And if we draw a Fibonacci from the highest high to here, we can also see the confluence of 786 retracement. So you can also see it as well. So this is a very decent opportunity somewhere here within this rectangle. Let me draw the rectangle like this. I am looking for some bearish opportunities, and my targets here will be the retest of this point, at least the retest of that. Stop loss should be placed above X, because the correction should never go above X, otherwise it turns to an impulse. So it shouldn't go above X. And let's calculate the risk to reward. If I started from here and my target is this, and my stop loss is above X, so I actually have 2-to-1 risk to reward. So guys, that's the opportunity that I'm looking at, looking for some entries within this rectangle. Hope you like this video, hope you find it useful. If so, give me your thumbs ups, share this video on social media. Until then, good luck, good trading, hope to see you soon.